YouTube, what's up, what's happening? Here I'm bringing you another video. And again, we're just gonna go over a quick little stencil design that you guys could do at home. And that's how to make a quick FORTNITE hat. You know, you make yourself a little FORTNITE stencil, and it's a really popular design right now. And again, it's a design you can put up, make money right now. It's a current. So I'm gonna just move you over here. Get you guys eyes on the hat. That's pretty good. And so, you know, obviously first thing you're gonna need to do is cut yourself out a little FORTNITE stencil. So if you Google FORTNITE, right, you're gonna come up with lots of designs. And this is what the one I found to be the most popular is this one with the houses and the trees, and it just says FORTNITE. It's pretty basic, pretty simple, and basically what this stencil comes down to is the background, right? Everybody's gonna want a cool background on this. So first we're gonna sticky our stencil on, and gonna let this wave a little bit because I like to really stick these on the hats because otherwise you get overspray underneath. But once it's ready, get it on there. Alright, that's pretty basic. I mean, from there you can really add whatever background you want. And I've had people ask me for like pickaxe backgrounds and stuff like that, but one of the popular ones that I've seen kind of really take off is it's kind of like this one here, where I have the other guys kind of, you know, they're silhouettes and they're just falling out of the sky. And it's really simple to do. I mean, if you've done stick figures, you just do stick figure guys with a glider, and that'll give you your design. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna add some stick figure guys, right? Kind of falling from the sky. And you can just do quite a few of them. Make sure you make them different sizes. You know, but like I've been saying, is you want to stay current with your stencils, and this is one of those designs that's really popular right now, especially with the kids and stuff. So once you got a few of those guys up there, you know, I just like to go back and obviously add a black shadow on it and fill in the stencil with black. And we're trying out a new microphone today, so I'd like if you guys give me your feedback on the microphone as well. And we're just trying to see what works best. And there you go, we got kind of our basic design there. And you know, usually like on this design over here, you add some green on the edges to simulate some bushes or maybe some mountains, and then some blue and some sky here. But I'm kind of going to do a little bit different here on this one. And I'm just going to take some gold and halo it around, right? Just halo it around the stencil. Maybe even spray a little bit over the black there. Then I'm going to take some hot green, and we're going to do what the other one has, like the green on the edges and the blue across the top. But what the gold's going to do is really going to make that stencil kind of stick out and pop. And when you take this hat out to the sun, which is what hats are meant for, it's really going to just bling out and give it that reflective metallic. So I'm just going to load up some blue here. And this is just some Maui blue. And gonna maybe leave some space for some clouds. And because these are transparent, I mean the colors is, you don't have to worry about going over the black too much. You know, you just kind of lay it in there. And don't be afraid of going over the gold with your blue and your green too. Now you pretty much have it. I mean, it's pretty basic, pretty simple. If you want to come in with some black and kind of clean up your edges. And this particular hat has this string here, which is really getting in the way right now. Usually they don't get in the way, but it seems to be okay. And you know, bam, there you go. Pretty much that would be your design. And we take this off. Bam, there you go. And obviously, you know, if you want to fill that in, which I do, I want to put some hot pink in there because I really want this hat to particularly, you know, really be out there. So I'm going to take some hot pink and we're going to fade it from the top. And then I'm going to take some hot yellow and fill in the top. So a little bit of hot yellow here, fluorescent yellow. And there you go, you got a crazy FORTNITE hat. You know, it's really standoutish, really cool. It's simple. As you can see, you know, we got it done right away. And people really love these. You know, I've seen quite a few of these go out my door. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Hopefully some of you guys like FORTNITE or have been asked about FORTNITE designs. And if you were unsure, you know, this is one of the more popular ones. And a quick, easy way, you know, to decorate them is those guys. And, you know, a lot of the game is blue and green. So, you know, but once you got that gold in there, as you can see, that gold kind of really gives it that little bit of a pop around the edge. Especially once you go outside, it's going to really, you know, it's really glittery to me. I don't know if you guys can really see that on camera or not, but yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps you guys out. I know, again, it's not the most extensive of videos, but it's, again, a design you can put up right now, make some money off on it, and it probably still has a few years left. So, you know, yeah, enjoy, put it up, and good luck. See y'all later.